Hi, again, welcome to Android application development. So, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to create a simple Android uh, password field. So, we will see how you can use a normal edit text component in order to take a password as an input. Additionally, we'll see how to create a custom label with some text in it, as well as a simple button. So, to start off, you need to open the Eclipse. Then edit the workspace, password. Password. So the same procedure, disregard this one, then click file, select new, then choose Android application. So you have to specify the application name, the project name, and the package name in the appropriate text field. So I'll choose password example, then click next. Then Then in the next window, make sure the create activity option is selected in order to create a new activity for your project. And after that, click next. Next. Then just select black activity. Then uh, you will be asked after that you will be asked to specify some information about the new activity in the uh, name text field. You have to specify the name of the file that will contain the layout description of your application. So in this tutorial, I will choose main. Then click finish. So to create a custom I'm sorry, custom label, you need to go to the res, then values, then select string. Then when you open the uh, strings.xml, Eclipse will display the graphical resources view editor. So this is a nice and easy tool you can use to add several resources to your application like strings, uh, integers, colors, values, etc. But we are going to use the traditional way, and that is editing the strings.xml file by hand. So click this strings.xml. So we have just created two strings resources that we can use in many ways and in many places in our application. So just change the action setting into password label, then submit label, then uh, click save. So next thing to do is to add a button and a password component. So to do that, you need to go to the rest, then layout, then main. So I have just delete these codes. I have already downloaded uh, an example of uh, code. So if you're a beginner, you can search for a code, an example code in the internet. So paste it in the main.xml. So then click save. So here we have just created an edit text component in a button. In the edit text code, notice the Android input type text password attribute. This tells the edit text field that it will be used as a password input component. Now you may open the graphical layout editor to preview the user interface you created. So we still have some errors. So don't mind the errors. Just proceed to the main activity. Then uh, just delete this code. So in the main activity.java, I have already downloaded some activity, some codes. So just copy this paste, just copy this codes, then paste it in the field. That's it. So notice that we have some error. So you just have to uh, lay the cursor above the errors, then just click the change package declaration. So the errors will be fixed automatically. Same with this one and this one. Then select public, then save. Go back to main activity, then just copy this one, then go to the R Java, or you can simply create field, then select public, then save. So as you can see, the errors have been fixed. So we need to go back to the Android main.xml. So once you have created or paste the codes, just visit the uh, main.xml, then select the graphical layout to preview the application. So this is the uh, password field. So once you have created the password field, you are now done with this tutorial.